The muscular system is composed of specialized cells called muscle fibers. Their predominant function is contractibility. Muscles attached to bones or internal organs and blood vessels are responsible for movement. Nearly all movement in the body is the result of muscle contraction. The muscular system contains more than 600 muscles that work together to enable the full functioning of the body. So with that, the muscular system has three types of muscles in the body. First is the skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are the only muscles that can be consciously controlled. They are attached to bones and contracting the muscle causes movement of those bones. Any action that a person consciously undertakes involves the use of skeletal muscles. For example, such as activities including running, chewing, and writing, and many more. So the next is the smooth muscle. Smooth muscles lines the inside of blood, vessels, and organs such as stomach and is also known as visceral muscle. It is the weakest type of muscle but has essential role in moving food along the digestive tract and maintaining blood circulation through the blood vessel. Next is what we call cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle located only in the heart. Cardiac muscles pumps blood around the body. Cardiac muscle stimulates its own contraction that from our heartbeat. Signals from the nervous system controls the rate of contraction. This type of muscle is strong and acts involuntarily. So we're going on to the 11 main function of the muscular system. So the main function of the muscular systems are as follows. First, by the mobility. The muscular system main function is to allow movement. When muscles contract, they contribute to gross and fine movement. Gross movement refers to large coordinated motion and includes walking, running, swimming, while fine movement involves smaller movements such as writing, speaking, facial expression. Next is the stability. Tendons stretch over joints and contribute to joint stability. Muscle tendons in the knee joint and the shoulder joint are crucial in stabilization. The core muscle of those in the back and pelvis, and they are also stabilized the body and assist in tasks such as lifting weights. Next is the posture. Skeletal muscles helps keep the body in the correct position when someone is sitting or standing. Next to the posture is the circulation. The heart is a muscle that pumps blood throughout the body. The movement of the heart is outside of cautious control and it contracts automatically when stimulated by electrical signals. Next is the respiration. Breathing involves the use of diaphragm muscle. The diaphragm muscle is a dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs. When diaphragm contracts, it pushes downward, causes the chest cavity to get bigger. The lungs then fill with air. When diaphragm muscle relaxes, it pushes air out of the lungs. When someone wants to breathe more deeply, it requires help from other muscles, including those in the abdomen, back, and neck. Next is the digestion. The muscular system allows for movement within the body, for example, during digestion or urination. Next is the urination. The urinary system comprises both smooth and skeletal muscle, including those in the kidneys or uterus, urethra, and many more. Next is the childbirth. Smooth muscle in the uterus expand and contract during childbirth. These movements push the baby through the vagina. Also, the pelvic floor muscle help to guide the baby's head down to birth canal. Next is the vision. Six skeletal muscles around the eye control its movements. These muscles work quickly and precisely and allow the eye to maintain a stable image, scan the surrounding area, and track moving objects. Next is the organ protection. Muscles in the torso protect the internal organs at the front, sides, and back of the body. The bones of the spine and the ribs provide further protection. Muscles also protect the bones and organs by absorbing shock and reducing friction in the joints. Last is the temperature regulation. Maintaining normal body temperature is an important function of the muscular system. Almost 85% of the heat a person generates in their body comes from contracting muscles. This is the end of my topic. Thank you for listening.